Welcome back, Maker Mentors. So we've seen VR at home and in our classrooms for a long time. However, wouldn't it be cool if instead of we just sitting there and using the VR, playing someone else's game, if we could go in and create our own VR experience from scratch? So what we're going to go over in this video is how to get started with Unity development using a virtual reality system. I'm going to be using the Windows mixed reality headset system because I like it and it's what I have, but you can use this with almost any virtual reality system on the market. This is the first video in a series that will walk you all the way from just getting started and getting yourself into that virtual reality world, all the way through how to actually make a usable game and kind of have some fun in there. So follow along. Okay, to get started with, we're going to need to go and download some software. We're going to start with Unity 3D. So go to unity3d.com, get started, select individual, and then personal, get started. From there, click the Start Here button, and then accept and download. After you've downloaded that, install it and go to Steam. The actual website is steampower.com. Once you're there, up in the top right, you'll hit Install Steam. That will download the application for you, and then please install it. From there, open up Steam and then go to the store. Once you're in the Steam store, you want to go ahead and search for a few items. The first is Steam VR. That allows us to load virtual reality and edit it in Unity. You're going to get and then install. If you have a Windows mixed reality headset, you want to also download the mixed reality for Steam VR. That'll make it so that it's compatible with your headset. Alright, assuming that you have all of that stuff installed, you're going to open up Unity Hub and check on the installs. Make sure that you actually have a version of Unity installed. So click on the install, make sure there's something there. If not, just hit the add button and then you can add the latest release of Unity. It'll take a little while to download, but it's not all that bad. So once you have that all set up, go into the projects and create a new. This is where you'll create your own 3D game, and then you can give it a fancy name, anything that you will remember and kind of represents the game that you want. Hit create. And here we are inside the Unity window. Now, in order to get things started in Unity for VR, we have to go to the asset store and download a couple of assets to handle VR interaction. So we're going to search for Steam VR, which allows our Unity to interact with the Steam VR that we just downloaded from Steam. Basically, what we downloaded in Steam was the player, and what we're downloading in Unity is the development environment. So once you find Steam VR, click Get and then Import. From there, we're going to go into Unity and we're going to delete the main camera because that's just using our camera that we can see on our screen, and we're going to import a VR camera. So go into the Steam VR under your assets, interaction systems, core and prefabs, and then drag the player all the way into your hierarchy. That'll place a VR headset inside your Unity game. Hit play. We're going to wait for it to load. I'm again using a Windows mixed reality headset, so I'm going to be viewing this in the mixed reality porthole. And there we have it. You are now inside your own blank, empty VR world. You can see even the gloves are kind of there to show you what your interaction system would look like. There's a lot we can go from here. It's the same as creating any other 3D game, with a couple of additions on how we teleport and add interactions. And with that, that is the beginnings of how to get into Unity. However, like I said in the beginning, we're going to have a whole lot of videos going over how to build your own worlds and experiences within VR. So check out the next video for how to go from simply sitting there in an empty VR world into actually making an environment that we can teleport around in with objects that we can interact with. So if you like that video, please do like and subscribe. We'll be putting out more videos in the series going from where we are now, a blank empty VR space, to actually having a room that we can teleport around in and having objects inside it that we can interact with. With that, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.